So the government's plan now seems to be to fortify Jantar Mantar entirely. 20 additional companies of CRPF are being airlifted from Kolkata, and this is what has been ordered by the Ministry of Home Affairs. You can already see the kind of security deployment here. Senior officials of the Delhi police armed with lathis, hundreds of rapid action forces personnel being deployed here, multiple layers of barricading as well. And now the Ministry of Home Affairs has ordered the airlifting of 20 additional companies of CRPF from West Bengal. They were deployed there on election duty, and now they will be flown to be deployed here at Jantar Mantar. Now, one company of CRPF has about 100 personnel, so 2,000 more CRPF personnel will now be deployed here, because the crowds now seem to be becoming unmanageable for the kind of security deployment here. The designated protest site inside Jantar Mantar is simply not able to contain the kind of crowds we see here. Whether it's afternoon, evening, late night, students in hundreds and thousands continue to trickle into Jantar Mantar. In fact, you can see the police making that announcement there, asking protesters not to spill onto the streets, not to spill onto the roads, asking them to go to their designated protest site. But it's simply impossible for the thousands of these protesters who've gathered here to stay put at the designated protest site, which is why these additional companies of CRPF are being brought. This entire area has been fortified. As you can see, this is one of the main roads leading up to Jantar Mantar, and this is the Sansad Marg on which that Parliament March was to happen on the 20th. But look at those hundreds of Rapid Action Forces personnel who are deployed here. The crowds are becoming very difficult to manage. Yesterday, there were some isolated incidents of violent confrontation between lumpen elements who became a part of this protest and Rapid Action Forces personnel who were allegedly beaten up by people who were part of the protesting crowd. An FIR has also been registered, and now more security deployment is expected here. Constantly those announcements are being made. You can also see anti-riot vehicles and detention buses that are already present here.